Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you fix Sony Google TV YouTube not working or YouTube black screen. When you see this sort of error, then you could try following these steps. Now you may experience a streaming issue with your YouTube app on your TV for several reasons. Here's how you could fix it. So first of all, it might be a common issue. The message YouTube is unavailable, please try again later appears on the TV. The message YouTube has stopped appeared on the TV screen. The first thing could be a network conditions or internet connections. It could be due to a poor connectivity or unstable connections. So you could actually try disconnecting it first thing, or you could try restarting a router. That should be able to help you out. As you're done with that, and see whether that fixes your issue or not. If that's not the case, you could try some of these other steps such as power restart or reset your computer. Reset your TV. To reset your TV, you want to hold on to the power button as well as to your volume button at the same time and then press it on, and once you see the red indication button, then you'll have successfully made it so. As you've done it so, you can also clear the app data and cache or install the YouTube app. For that, you want to go to settings. And then you want to go ahead and locate YouTube, and there you could go ahead and click on it and force stop it. And once again, if the issue still persists on, you could try uninstalling it and reinstall it from the App Store. That should be able to help you out. So these are some of the ways to fix it. So if nothing seems to be working out, you simply need to contact your customer support team and let them know about it, that they should be able to help you out. So these are some of the ways to fix it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.